Understand the benefits of meditation. It benefits you to have stress reduction. And it additionally understand how to relax after a stressful day. It can help you to calm down. Yes, the benefits of meditation is about also learning relaxed breathing. We must enhance our focus. Meditation sharpens our ability to concentrate, improving our attention span. Improve posture. Maintaining good posture during meditation contributes better physical health. And of course, the one benefits of meditation is also about emotional resilience.